Hey guys, in today's video you will be checking out some of the best drones available in the market. We have combined them according to their quality, capacity, price, user satisfaction and ease of use. You can find out more info about them in the description box below. Make sure to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon below to be the first to know about any new videos. Ranking at number 7 we have NEHEME Drones. This NEHEME Mini Selfie Drone equipped with 45 degrees adjustable 720p HD camera, which can broaden your views and record every unforgettable moment in your life. Meanwhile, it comes with advanced FPV real-time transmission tech. You can enjoy real-time images through app for beautiful scenery. NEHEME NH525 drone is equipped with 4 propeller guards to protect you from spinning propellers and ensure the drone's propellers from the collision. Besides, it also can reach up to 100 meters control distance, giving you more extensive flight experience. After improving several times, NEHEME is a versatile drone, can perform stunts like 360 degrees flip, high-speed rotation and etc., and you can draw a route on the app screen and the hover drone will fly following the path accordingly. At number 6 we have SIMREX Drones. Its high-resolution 1920x1080 enjoy high-quality real-time image through app. This professional camera comes with 110 degrees Wide Angle FPV Camera, recording every wonderful moment. The drone is designed with propeller protection ring, which greatly protects the aircraft from being damaged to a certain extent and extends its service life. It is equipped with the latest 6-axis gyro flight control systems that provide better using experience when eyes can't identify the orientation of the drone. The headless mode can help to control easier and avoid from losing the direction. At number 5 we have ATTOP drones. The drone with camera can take photos and video. You can just connecting your phone with ATTOP drones to watch a live video. You can enjoy the first-person view fun. The view will be shown directly on your phone, providing you fantastic FPV experiences. ATTOP drone for kids will bring you more pleasure when staying at home. Play with your child. If you are looking for some toys for boys and girls, this drone is great boys gift and girls gift. This drone with camera for kids is specially designed for kids and is easy to operate. ATTOP RC drone with camera for kids can perform 360 degrees flip and trajectory flight. You can draw a path on your smartphone, the drone will fly following the path accordingly. At number 4 we have DJI Drones. The DJI FPV aircraft can record 4K/60 FPS video at up to 120 megabits per second. That capturing crisp details that make footage look as exhilarating as the flight. You can get the dynamic look of FPV footage easily in S mode. This hybrid flight mode combines the freedom of flying manually with the simplified controls of previous DJI drones. It comes with this immersive and intuitive aerial platform. Get ready to go into the beyond. You can enjoy crystal clear real-time and HD low latency transmission video even at distances of up to 6.2 miles. It provided by the DJI FPV Goggles V2 and DJI FPV Super Wide 150 degrees FOV. That giving you an ultra-smooth real-time view of your flight. At number 3 we have 4D-F4 drones. The 4K camera catches much more details of the treasured moments. The 4D-F4 Follow Me feature has you covered automatically no matter where you go. When you return home, share your creation with one click in app. This 5 GHz FPV transmission enables longer and smooth image transmission. The electric image stabilization reduces blurring and ensures stabilized video images. This drone can always fly back to takeoff point as per your instruction, or whenever it run out of power or loses connection, even when you accidentally fly it out of range. At number 2 we have DJI Drones. The Phantom 4 Pro V2.0 camera drone comes equipped with a 3-axis motorized gimbal and a 1-inch 20MP CMOS sensor with a mechanical shutter that eliminates rolling shutter distortion. The standard controller features a smartphone holder. You will need to install the DJI Go 4 app on your phone to fly your drone. The Phantom 4 Pro V2.0 is a beast when it comes to flight performance. It has a maximum flight speed of 72 km per hour and an 8 km transmission range with 1080p live streaming and automatic frequency switching thanks to OcuSync 2.0. The Phantom 4 Pro V2.0 offers intelligent flight modes such as tap fly, active track, draw mode, gesture mode and more. At number 1 we have DJI Drones. The first filmmaking drone in the world to integrate an HD video transmission system. It comes 360-degree rotating gimbal and a 4K camera, as well as the simplicity of app control. The launches of the ZenMuse X5 and X5R cameras further cemented the Inspire as a critical tool for filmmakers around the globe. The Inspire 2 takes everything that was good about the Inspire 1 and improves it. It has a dual battery system, prolongs the flight time to a maximum of 27 minutes. while self-heating technology allows it to fly even in low temperatures. It providing two directions of obstacle avoidance and sensor redundancy. Now it's your turn. Let us know in the comment box below as this video helps you to find the best drones for your need.